Einstein re-derived Planck's results by assuming the oscillations of the electromagnetic field were themselves quantized. What he's saying was quantization is a fundamental property of light and other electromagnetic radiation. This led to the concept of photon. The photoelectric effect occurs when light incident on certain metallic surfaces causes electrons to be emitted from those surfaces. The emitted electrons are called photoelectrons. The name is given because of their ejection from a metal by light in the photoelectric effect. They are no different than other electrons. When the tube is kept in the dark, the ammeter reads 0. When emitter plate is illuminated by light having an appropriate wavelength, a current is detected by the ammeter. The current arises from photoelectrons emitted from the negative plate and collected at the positive plate. From the experiment we learn following. At large values of voltage, the current reaches a maximum value. All the electrons emitted from emitter are collected at detector. The maximum current increases as the intensity of the incident light increases. When V is negative, the current drops. When V is equal to or more negative than Vs, the current is 0. From the experiment, the dependence of photoelectron on incident light are observed, which can be summarized in following points. The maximum kinetic energy is independent of light intensity. The maximum kinetic energy is proportional to the stopping potential, Vs. Electrons are emitted almost instantaneously, even at very low light intensities. No electrons are emitted if the incident light falls below some cutoff frequency, Fc. The cutoff frequency is characteristic of the material being illuminated. No electrons are ejected below the cutoff frequency regardless of intensity. The maximum kinetic energy of the photoelectrons increases with increasing light frequency. The experimental results contradict all classical predictions. Einstein extended Planck's concept of quantization to electromagnetic waves. All electromagnetic radiation of frequency f from any source can be considered a stream of quanta, now called photons. Each photon has an energy E and moves at the speed of light in a vacuum. A photon of incident light gives all its energy to a single electron in the metal. Electrons ejected from the surface of the metal and not making collisions with other metal atoms before escaping possess the maximum kinetic energy K maximum. K maximum equals hf minus phi. Phi is called the work function of the metal. The work function represents the minimum energy with which an electron is bound in the metal. With the help of photon model, photoelectric effect can be explained in following points. Dependence of photoelectrons' kinetic energy on light intensity is as K maximum is independent of light intensity. K depends on the light frequency and the work function. Time interval between incidence of light and ejection of the photoelectron is as each photon can have enough energy to eject an electron immediately. Dependence of ejection of electrons on light frequency is as there is a failure to observe photoelectric effect below a certain cutoff frequency, which indicates the photon must have more energy than the work function in order to eject an electron. Without enough energy, an electron cannot be ejected, regardless of the fact that many photons per unit time are incident on the metal in a very intense light beam. Dependence of photoelectrons' kinetic energy on light frequency is as since K maximum is equal to hf minus phi, as a photon of higher frequency carries more energy. Once the energy of work function is exceeded, a photoelectron ejected by this photon has higher kinetic energy. There is a linear relationship between the maximum electron kinetic energy and the frequency. The lines show the linear relationship between kinetic energy of photoelectrons and frequency of light. The slope of each line is Planck's constant h. The x-intercept is the cutoff frequency. This is the frequency below which no photoelectrons are emitted. The cutoff frequency is related to the work function through Fc equals phi by h. The cutoff frequency corresponds to a cutoff wavelength. Lambda equals to c by Fc. Wavelengths greater than lambda c incident on a material having a work function phi do not result in the emission of photoelectrons.